Sam for the Target Fitness team here. It is time for a little snack break. A well-being snack break, to be precise. Onto the floor for this one. So we are going into reverse bridges. So we are bringing our palms to the floor, and then we are pressing through our heels. So bring our butt off the floor. We're trying to get close to this parallel position, but maybe you're sinking a little below parallel. That works too. Little slight bend in the elbow. This one is really great for after a long day of typing on our keyboard. Just giving that muscle group a little restoration. Help mitigate any of the aches and pains that come from doing that for too long. Last few seconds. Very nice, everybody. Remember, if that one didn't jive with you, we have a whole menu of snacks to choose from. So find one that works for you. Until next time.